before the speed, before the sound. It begins as nothing more than cold steel, cut with precision, measured to perfection. Robotic arms strike with fire, and sparks shape its skeleton. Piece by piece, the frame takes form. Every weld has purpose. Every curve is engineered for speed. Then comes the heart, installed with absolute precision. Power waits beneath the surface. And then, color. A deep racing red coats the metal. The shine begins to breathe. What was once steel now carries emotion, now carries power. From raw metal to legend, from steel to Ferrari.